Hello everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add your game to OBS Studio the right way. Let's get started. Open OBS Studio. Click the plus icon in the Sources box. Select Game Capture. This is the best option for gaming. Create a new one and click OK. Make sure the game is already running in the background. Now go to Settings, then to the Video tab. Make sure the FPS is set to 60 for smooth gameplay recording. If you're getting a black screen when using Game Capture, here's what to do. Close OBS Studio completely. Now go to the search bar on your PC and type OBS Studio. Right-click on it, then choose Run as Administrator. This gives OBS the proper permissions to capture your game screen correctly. That's it. You're ready to record your game in high quality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.